bras. You can't wait to take them off after a long day, but you can't live without them either. With this video, I'm going to try and address some of the most common bra concerns related to comfort and the best bras to wear when you're at home. So let's get right into it. Type home in the comments below and we'll send you a complete at-home bra buying guide. With all of us spending more time at home than we ever have, I, like many of you out there, have considered ditching the bra altogether. But is it really okay to do that? As it turns out, bras don't just make our breasts look good and make us feel confident. They also provide our breasts with some much needed support and help relieve back pain. Our breasts are primarily fatty tissue and can weigh anywhere from around 250 grams for an A cup size to even close to a kg for a D cup size. And every time we even walk, there is some amount of bounce that can cause strain to your breast tissue, in turn causing pain in the long run. So to answer your question, yes, you should wear a bra even if you're sitting at home most of the time, because you will end up doing chores around the house. However, if you do end up ditching your bra, make sure you don't wear any synthetic clothes to avoid any chafing and rashes. Now let's talk about the most comfortable bras you can wear when you're at home and lounging. As long as you're leading a pretty much sedentary life, you can work with wireless t-shirt bras, bralettes, and cami bras are also great options. They might be padded or not padded as per your comfort. While these bras can provide the required support while you're lounging at home, you can also wear these to bed if you don't prefer the no bra route. The fact that these don't have wires poking out will make sure you're super comfy. Now I know we all have those 2 or 3 extremely comfortable bras that we like to rotate on a daily basis, and with the rainy season upon us, it can be a pain to actually get bras to dry quickly. So I've got just the right hack for you. Get a hold of a salad spinner, place your washed bra in it while it's still wet and give it a few spins. This will get rid of all the excess water in your bra without damaging its shape and help your bra dry much faster. Here's an easy way to make your bra more comfortable very easily. Take any of your bras that you don't intend on wearing out anymore and cut a small slit at the edge where the underwire is and take your underwire out. And there you have it, a super comfy sleeping bra in minutes. While we're talking about comfortable bras, let's talk about a very common misconception. Sports bras are super comfortable and can be worn all day long. Sports bras are comfortable because they're wire-free. However, they offer a lot more support than you need when you're not doing full-fledged physical activities. In the long run, they can end up restricting and damaging your breast tissue and cause discomfort at your ribcage. This is because they contain a lot of elasticity. That said, it's a complete no-no to exercise without a sports bra on, so make sure you never skip it. A quick trick is to bring your sports bra into the shower with you so you can give it a quick hand wash instead of a machine wash. Hope you find these tips helpful, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.